This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the AWF-mfa0722g and preparing the chamber. First, plug the unit into a grounded 120V outlet and confirm the indicator lights. Then, open the door, insert the correct tray or rack and secure it. This aligns airflow and ensures even cooking. Once done, select the preheat option and set the temperature in degrees F. Many recipes call for 350 degrees F. Make sure to remove packaging and seals before preheating. Otherwise, the unit cannot reach target temperature. You now configure the AWF-mfa0722g for the actual cook. Select the cooking mode with the mode button or dial, because each setting modifies fan speed and heat distribution. Mode choice determines texture. Next, set temperature and time with the +/ controls. Adjust in small increments for delicate items. Place food centered on the tray, leaving gaps for circulation, and slide it gently into the rack guides. Once loaded, press Start. The unit will engage the fan and heating elements together for consistent results. You complete the process by finishing and cooling properly. When the cycle ends, use oven mitts. Open the door slightly and allow food to rest for 2 to 5 minutes so juices redistribute. Remove the tray and let the unit cool before cleaning. Wash removable trays and wipe the interior with a damp cloth. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Make sure the unit is plugged in, verify the door latch engaged, and read any error codes on the display. Often a reset or power cycle corrects common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.